north. Look north lang. Look north. Hold the choke. Baba kayo onte. Come south onte. Saan sila? Ayan, dismounted sila north. Hold the choke. Then yung kahit east side, guys, ha. We're gonna kahit east side. Nakita niyo yung malaking bato sa east side natin. Okay, everyone, catch. Catch. Okay. Nice one. Kill that. Come south. Wala, we defended. Come south, sige. Come south ulit sa choke. Peel. Sige, peel. Come south sa choke.
Rollers.
Come south. Two, pull down.
May Hojo ko.
Okay, fake west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, engage inside the pass. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang. Burahin niyo yung mga brawlers nila. Can you delete the brawler? Wala, kami side. Sige. Full kite. Sige. Use the voice lang. Wala. That's a fake. Kami side. Defensive tanks ha. Don't get to Sige. West east side. Come north east.
May Hojo ko. Kaya ko malinis healer.
Sige, go. Catch mo.
Ito.
Okay, we're gonna engage the healer. Pagkatapos ng nila. We're gonna hold 5, 4, north, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa north. Delete. Nice, east side. Kamis. Brawlers sila. Kiss and doubles. Nice one, sorry. Na-stuck ko. Kami side. One get left behind. Sige.
May Hojo ko.
Press the choke.
Wala ng clear call.
Okay, west side. Every west side. Deep. Deep. Sige. Walk in deep. Find the crown ha. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito na lang. Find the crown. Yan.
Oh, bro.
East side. Sige, full kite ulit. Peel. I want you guys to peel. East side. Come east side. Nice one, everyone. You're doing good. Sige, come east side. May mga defensive tanks tayo. Pass your thumbs. Sige. Pass your thumbs in yours. Okay. Chu, I want you to take engage. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice one. Wala silang defensives na, pre. Everyone walk in na. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Find the crown. Wala, nag-root bound. Sorry. Sasabayan natin root bound. East side.
Meron ka pang Hodge, 20.
Sige, hindi ko dyan pa siya. Sige, kami side. Stabilize nga tayo. Sige nga. Kami side. Come northeast. Sige. They're throwing random east. Random bullshit. Go, everyone. Random bullshit. Go. Come northeast. Sige, come northeast. Everyone, have on the choke. Sige. Let them press the choke.
May hunter sa atin sa loob, oh.
Ha?
Hilay ko po sa'yo.
Listen double
Wala
sila.
namanan.
Oh, no. Kill that shit. Sige, defensive tanks ha. We're gonna engage on that in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito Spirit Hunter. Patayin nyo na yan. Patayin nyo na yung Spirit Hunter. Oh, no. West side. Everyone, east side. Not east. And Wala tayong engage. Kaka-engage lang natin. Everyone. Spread. Don't let them have a... Okay, everyone, 10 seconds. We got 10 seconds on our engage, ha? 10 seconds on our engage. Observe that. Nice. Okay, we're gonna engage deep. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Delete that. Can you delete that?
Nakapag-root bag.
Okay, east side. Kami side. They're gonna be regearing. Kami side. Full kite. Everyone, full kite. Nagpupush na naman sila. Gago to. Sige, machempuan ka lang namin. Kami side. Sige, come northeast.
May Hojo ko.
Okay. Wag muna. Nakita niyo yung west side. Lahat tayo. South sa choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tangina ng root bond na talaga.
yung
Okay, everyone west side. Everyone west side. Ito nasa huli ko rin natin.
Wala na.
Lasing na sila.
Nagre-gear.
West side. Sige, they're gearing. Nakita niyo yung long na to.
Pwede tayo rundown kasi wala na silang ano.
Oh, kaya to.
Ano bang gusto ko sa kanya? Ito na lang enig pre.
Patay yung bal. Yung
Hindi, nag-hold pa sila onte. Ano ba yung gusto kong Ito na lang ang pag. Ito gusto kong weapon. Ito yung gusto kong loot. Come nerd. Ito yung gusto kong loot. Itong root bond na kay Daddy ABG. Ito yung gusto kong loot. Everyone, mount up. Tapos bulin nyo kami. Ito yung gusto kong loot.
Okay, papatay natin to.
Shopping ako.
Mag-shopping ka na, 20.
Hey, let's go.
Sige, banatan niya yung loot.